Secrets of Creating Wealth as a Private Money Lender for Industry Professionals, presented by Women Investing in Real Estate. Are you an industry professional, financial planner, realtor, mortgage professional, or insurance agent? Well, this webinar is for you. I'm Tanita Bailey, your real estate success coach. Just a bit about my background. I have been in the mortgage and real estate industry for over 25 years. I'm a graduate of the University of North Texas. I have a bachelor's in real estate finance. I'm currently pursuing my MBA as an executive and professional coach from the University of Texas at Dallas. I am the president and CEO of Women Investing in Real Estate. My team and I have purchased, contracted, bought, built, sold, managed, and or financed over $15 million in residential and commercial real estate. Is the economy scaring your clients away from real estate investing? Well, it shouldn't, because the greatest deals in real estate history are being made today. Show your clients how to create a fortune investing in real estate as a private lender, how to create their own private banking system, how to invest their monies when, where, and how they want, and how to secure short-term and long-term increases for their individual retirement accounts. All right, let's get right to it. Let me show you the money. In this scenario, we have an investor looking for financing for a fix and flip property. The purchase price is $60,000, the after repaired value $100,000. The loan amount is 65% of the after repaired value with a rate of 14%, 12-month term. Now the monthly payments are $758.33, which totals $9,099.96. Those payments you will receive every month for 12 months. Let's talk a little bit more about the return on investment. Let's just say that loan pays off in 12 months. You will receive $65,000, which was your original loan, plus the $9,000 in payments that you would have received every month, for a total of $74,099.96. And don't forget, this property is secured by real estate. Are you still confused? You're not convinced yet? Okay, let me show you again. Here's another example where you have a purchase price of $75,000. The after repaired value is $120,000. You have a loan amount of $78,000. In this scenario, we have rehab cost of $10,000, 14% interest rate. They would like to keep the loan for 2 years, which is 24 months. So you would receive each month interest payments of $910. So if they keep this loan for 6 months, your return is $54.60, 12 months, $10,920. Now let's just say they keep the loan for the full 2-year term. You will receive a total of $21,840 interest payments on your investments. This is how you quickly create a fortune investing in real estate as a private lender. So let's break down the repayment terms again. If they keep the loan for 6 months and your loan was $78,000, your return on that investment is a total of $83,460. If they keep the loan for 12 months, your total return is $88,920. Now, if they keep that loan for 24 months, secured by real estate, your total investment could increase to $99,840. Private money investing allows you to create short-term and long-term investments. This really is a win-win situation for everybody involved. Let's talk about the investor. The investor gets a loan at $78,000, which includes a rehab budget of about $3,000. Now they're able to purchase a property, rehab it, and then they're able to sell it to another buyer. Now, the advantage to the buyer is that the buyer gets a home that's been completely rehabbed. The investor walks away with a profit of approximately $42,000. Now, let's look at the private lender side. The lender loans $78,000. They receive payments until the loan is paid off, either by refinancing or by being sold. The loan is secured by real estate. If they keep the loan for 6 months and pay you off, you still make $83,460. If they keep it for 12 months, you make $88,920. And of course, if they keep it for 24 months, you'll make $99,840. So it really is a win-win situation for everybody involved. Are you ready to show your clients how to make up to 14% return on investment secured by real estate? Well, if you are, let's look at a few examples. Let's take a look at some examples. We do have some investment packages that are currently available. Here's one where there's 3 duplexes that are available. They're all 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. All of the properties are 100% leased, and they have all been completely remodeled. Let me talk with you a moment about the interest income in this particular investment. You have a purchase price on these properties at $139,000 each. The properties appraised for $160. The rate is 14%. You have payments of $1,621 from the investor. If they keep the loan for 6 months, you'll receive $9,730 of interest payments. 12 months, $19,452. 24 months, $38,904. Now, the properties are currently leased at $19.90 per month. So in this scenario, you can make up to $38,900 if they keep the loan for a total of 2 years. Creating your own private bank really does have benefits. First of all, you don't have to worry about looking for properties. You don't have to rehab any properties. You don't have to worry about the tenants. You don't have to worry about talking with different contractors, nor qualifying as far as credit or income. Now let's review one more package. These are some single-family homes. They're all 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage homes. They're leasing at $12.95 a month on Section 8, and they're all 100% leased. So let's look at the numbers on this one. The purchase price on these properties is $75,000. The appraised value is $85,000. With an interest rate of 14%, the payments are $875. 6 months of interest payments gives you $5,250. 12 months gives you $10,500. 24 months gives you $21,000. Now, these properties are leased at $12.95 a month, so you do have some extra security there. You can make up to $21,000 in 2 years on these properties. What a great investment. Real estate investing using private money allows your money to work for you instead of you working for your money. All right, here's the important part. How do you get paid? If you're a realtor, you receive commissions that are paid on the property sales up to 3%. In this scenario, if you have a $100,000 purchase price, your commissions would be $3,000. If you're an industry professional, you could receive referral fees up to 2% of the loan amounts. So get your clients together and let's make some money. Now, I know what you're all wondering at this point. You're saying, okay, well, that all sounds well and fine, that everybody's going to be making money and that I'm going to be receiving these interest payments. But what if something happens? What if the buyers, investors lose their jobs? What if I have to foreclose? What are the safety features for my investments? Okay, I'm glad you asked. Here are the safety features. All loans are recorded and they are assigned to private money lenders. They all have mortgage insurance that is included on them, which means that they have a title policy ensuring the private investor's lien position. All properties are required to be inspected, and they are inspected by our staff. You do have low loan to value loans on them, which means that you typically are not going to loan any more than 65 to 70% of the value of the property. Okay, you say, well, that's all well and fine. I need a little bit more safety. Okay, glad you asked. Now, first of all of our loans require a down payment from the investor. Usually that's going to be anywhere from 4 to 7% of the loan amount. All of the properties are local properties. They're going to be located in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. They all will be good single-family homes that are located in good neighborhoods, and they all will have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. You will have hazard insurance that will protect the property in the event there's a fire or anything hazardous happen to the property. All interest payments are made on the first of each month, and they are made by the investors. And it does not matter whether properties are rented or not. The investor is fully responsible for making the payments on the loans. In the event that the payments are not paid, the investor does have the right to foreclose on the property. Our attorneys will seek immediate action. Let's talk about the role for women investing in real estate. We will market to all investors that we do have funds available for lending. We will underwrite and process all files. We will submit the completed packages to you for your approval. We will coordinate with the attorneys in drawing the documents for closing. We will personally review all properties. We'll manage the rehab, the closing process. We will even administer or receive the loan payments for the servicing, and we will foreclose and initiate the foreclosure process.